Hey everyone! Welcome back to Crypto Analysis Pro. Today, we're diving deep into Ethereum's price action against BTC and USDT across multiple timeframes, from the weekly chart all the way down to the 1-hour level. We'll analyze key trends, support/resistance zones, and potential breakout opportunities. Whether you're a swing trader or a long-term holder, this breakdown will help you make smarter decisions. So, grab your notes, and let's get into it. In the BTC pair and on the weekly time frame, we have a completely bearish trend. At the price of 0.018, there is a support that prevents the price from falling, and with 2 hits to the support, the price has not fallen. On the weekly time frame, the RSI indicator is in a completely positive divergence. On the daily time frame, we have a few important price points, 0.023, 0.029, the first of which could be our BOS and the second is our chalk. Well, the price area of 0.023 to 0.024 was an important area because the price first reacted to it with a long shadow and after a while it was able to break that area downwards. After a while it pulled back and continued its downward path again. And after a lot of falling, when it reached the support point of 0.018, it was supported and was able to break that area and move upwards and even pulled back. Here in the USDT pair and on the weekly time frame, we have a downward trend, but then in the previous weeks, Ethereum was able to pull itself up a bit and turn its trend positive. The RSI indicator on the USDT pair also has positive divergence, which means we are going to see positive candles from Ethereum. The price of 2,150 is our best price point because it has seen many ups and downs, and even after the failure, it has seen a pullback in price decline. Our trend is bullish with these positive candles that we have received because it came and was able to touch our chalk with a sharp candle. We have two important price ranges here. The first is the price of 2805 to 2850 and the second is the range of 2120 to 1990. We can either enter the spot with a pullback to the first area or a pullback to the second area. If the price has no resistance or support in its path, the price can go as high as $39.65, which is about 90% profit for spot. After these positive sharp candles that Ethereum has made, it is time for it to rest a bit, and the volume indicator shows us that Ethereum's volume has decreased and for now it may either fall or be in a certain range. On the 4-hour time frame, we also have an uptrend that is correcting in line with the trend. However, our RSI has a negative divergence, which means we may have a further downtrend. In the 1-hour time frame, we have a descending channel that has hit the top twice and hit the bottom twice, and here we have two scenarios. First, the price is in high volume and breaks the top of the channel and pulls back, and then we enter a long trade, or the price reverses and with a pullback to the bottom, we enter a short trade. Considering the RSI in the 4-hour time frame, our second scenario may be correct. And that's a wrap. To sum it up, Ethereum is showing strong momentum against BTC but facing resistance in USDT pairs. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto breakdowns, and drop a comment. What's your ETH price target? Until next time, trade smart, and see you in the next one. Cheers!